Hey there guys, my name is Emily, or you can know me by my sign name, Emily, whichever you prefer. Welcome to my brand new tutorial video. So today we're just going to be starting off with a few simple signs to get you on your way to learning sign language. First things first, we're going to start with learning the alphabet. The alphabet in ASL is the foundation for the entire American Sign Language. So be sure you're paying attention. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you are right-handed, hold up your right hand. This will be your dominant hand, or your main signing hand. Now, if you are a lefty, hold up your left hand. This will be your dominant or main signing hand. It's your preference. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Congratulations! You just finished your first lesson. Now, let's move on with some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, guys! You just learned the numbers 1 through 20. You're already a pro. Now let's move forward with learning some colors. We'll start with the rainbow, and then we'll move on from there. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, silver, gold, California, brown. Great job, guys! Now you know how to sign all the colors. Make sure to rewind so you can go over signs that you might have missed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that I see you again real soon. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe and then go ahead and hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video.